Hey, hello, all. Welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Grantha. Today we are going to discuss about the lecture number 23 on the load runner. Today we will discuss now the latest version is going on 2021. So we will see what is the features, what are the new updates came on the micro focus load runner 2020. So if anyone missed the previous video sessions, please go on the playlist of the load runner and you can watch. And if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. And also I covered few sessions about Nagios, then JMeter, Jenkins. So all those sessions also you can go ahead, and if you have any suggestions, any of the questions, you can put in the comment box. Okay, let's see. We'll discuss about the micro focus load runner 2020. So the first thing is what is the new features came on there. So the new three uh, part has been came there. One is a load runner professional, then load runner enterprise, and load runner cloud. Okay, which is the mean of like the load runner professional is nothing like, which is formally earlier it was a load runner, and now it is changed the naming convention, the load runner professional, which is providing the on-premises solutions and like some of the load runner issues, some of the performance issues, it can be easily identified using the load runner professional. The next thing is comes on the load runner enterprise. So the load runner enterprise is nothing like now it is the enhanced part of the performance center. Okay, where we can do the execution, where we can increase the efficiency, and we can reduce the cost of the collaboration. So that is the one feature is add on the latest version of the load runner. The third thing is that the load runner cloud, which is the most important factor and which is the most important features add on the load runner for the macro focus 2020 versions. Like now there is a cloud based mobile application, lot of cloud activities is started, and everyone knows like each project has been started to migrate on the cloud. So the load runner is the main key tool for the performance testing. So now the load runner has enhanced the activity on the latest version, and now the load runner is also supporting the cloud platform activities. Okay, so those are the three things add on the load runner latest version. The another thing is like the lot of other new features is also came on the micro focus 2020. One thing is like the increased team collaboration. So like increase the team collaboration is like you can work with the multiple team members, and the same time some different team and different project team members also can use the machines. They can use the LGs and work together very closely, and they can deliver the projects very successful mode with the less time interval with the good productivity. The next thing is like the share assets and scripts. See what the earlier it was there, like whenever we are using the load runner below the 2020 version, so we can't share the script, we can use the multiple assets. If suppose you are doing the execution also, so we are using the load runner controller, so multiple people can't access the machine on the same time. So now with the new features, we can share that script, we can share that assets to the multiple teams. If suppose on your team have the 4 team members is there, so anyone, if everyone have the access of the performance center, so they can go and anyone can monitor your execution. Okay, the third thing is like the simulate the real world application conditions. So on the realistic scenario also we can identify and we can find out the bottlenecks on there. Okay, the next thing is like the improve application quality. So after inting and after add on the new feature on the micro focus is the cloud base using the DevOps. So now that quality has been also increased. So that's the best feature came on the micro focus there. Next thing is comes for the licensing. So the load runner have the 50 users free of cost, and 1 JMeter user we can use to execution, and unlimited user we can use for the mobile application there. Okay. And the last thing is like the for controller feature, right? So the controller feature that is little bit more like modernize the UI form now. We can see the online graphs, runtime settings, and due to the cloud platform it's add on there. So for Docker for Windows and Linux that is also available. And the good thing is for the TLS, like the TLS 1.3 version is also supporting with that controller, which is the most key factor for the micro focus 2020. So those are the some small features was add on the load runner and your micro focus 2020, which I want to discuss with you. So thank you so much. Thanks to all. You can share your videos to your colleague, and soon we will come with the some other updates about the LR 2020 version, like what the updates came on the user and all those activities. We'll discuss on the next video sessions. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks to all.